Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, and I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're new to the channel, Soulful Summit is all about introspection, inspiration, and motivation. We dive deep into topics that help us grow and become the best versions of ourselves. So, if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Today, I want to talk about something that might seem a little mundane, but trust me, it has the power to transform your life. We're going to talk about spring cleaning your life, starting with organizing your workspace. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can organizing my workspace boost my productivity and creativity? Well, let me tell you, my friend, it's all about creating an environment that supports your goals and dreams. Think about it. When your workspace is cluttered and disorganized, it's hard to focus. Your mind feels scattered, and it's challenging to tap into your creativity. But when you take the time to declutter and organize your workspace, something magical happens. Firstly, you create space for new ideas to flow. When your desk is clear, your mind can breathe, and you can think more clearly. You'll find that your creativity starts to soar, and you'll come up with innovative solutions to problems you've been struggling with. Secondly, an organized workspace boosts your productivity. When everything has a designated place, you waste less time searching for things. You'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish when you're not constantly distracted by the mess around you. But it's not just about the physical space. Organizing your workspace is a metaphor for organizing your life. When you take the time to declutter and organize your physical surroundings, you're also decluttering and organizing your mind. So, my challenge to you today is to take a look at your workspace. Is it cluttered? Are there things that no longer serve you? Take some time to declutter and create a space that supports your goals and dreams. Trust me, you won't regret it. Remember, spring cleaning your life is not just about cleaning your physical space. It's about creating a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. It's about letting go of what no longer serves you and making room for what truly matters. I hope this resonates with you and motivates you to take action. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, you have the power to create a life you love. Keep striving, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.